currently 7:30 a.m. I just woke up after what's been the best sleep of my life probably. Now we're gonna try to see the northern lights before subuh comes, and then I'm gonna head to the Golden Circle straight away after subuh. This our car. Ice, it's so snowy, bro. On the way to Grota Island Lighthouse now to try to see the northern lights. Can't see me, but we're at Grota Island Lighthouse. Couldn't see the northern lights because it's kind of bright already. That's subuh, so it's hailing. This is Iceland, Korea. I missed. We just had breakfast inside. Free breakfast at the masjid. Hit the camera. Aduh. Isi minyak lo sebelum road trip. Next stop, Thingvellir National Park. On the way to Thingvellir now. 15-minute drive. Let's go. We're still halfway as well. Like the Galapagos. Like an hour after that. Terasa apa?
Berapa bis?
Cumanan like
kalau never control steering.
Dua tangan jam.
You can't control the steering like two.
Hey, view though. Sheesh. Macam the movie, bro, bis. Alhamdulillah sampai Thingvellir after what has been the scariest ride of his life. Yes,
Actually though, not gonna lie bro.
Alhamdulillah sampai. Look at this view though, parking lot. Thingvellir National Park. Look at this snow, man. That's literally just snow. Tabalam na bisyo. Go. Fall. Good effort. I don't know if you can hear me, but the wind and the hail is crazy. Oh my god. We're finally able to go out because it's not hailing anymore. Oh, look at us. We are at, I don't know where we are. This is like cool part of Thingvellir National Park. Dito man yo, the snow is so thick, man. It's getting cold. This is what I expected. This doesn't feel like real life, man. Assalamualaikum guys. We are at Thingvellir National Park. Very cold. It's very windy. We've been walking a long time, but I haven't seen nothing, so that's why I went live. Guys, cuba buat kejamban ke indah? Ah ya, we. Yeah. I'm from Southampton, you're from London. Ah, yeah. I see you around in campus. Ground drive ah? Oh. Oh. Bah, gelak. Saya travels. Enggak, kami nak jumpa kemarin. We saw from flight. Buka jaket. Kau aku buka jaket.
Apa yang pakai jaket? Request dari Iqbal.
Pecahkan ais lagi.
Pecahkan ais. Buka lagi ya.
Buka lagi. Lagi. Aku all the way ke waterfall macam ni Syak.
Aduh.
Okay, never mind. Sekejap. Berapa degree? 1 kan? Mors.
Gila.
Nice view though. The waterfall. Hailing. Now next is to go back. Licin. Gila yo. Macam Narnia apa ni aku tahu. Cuba lihat. Alright, all white. You can't even see anything. Oi, licin yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wait, let us know dari mas pelintas ah. Apa ni? Kena tiba guys. But there's no snow.
There's no ice.
Kena scam kami. Oh mana ice? Mana ice?
Bro.
There it is guys. Jump on in the horizon. I've never been excited to see a jump on before. Licin. Toilet. Can't even think straight. Best toilet ever in the middle of nowhere. I have to go back. Okay, I'm moving. It's less hill now. We went sampai rumah. Time to say goodbye to Ingwiller National Park. Berumsak kereta guys. Oh my god. Let's go. Dah nampak yo. Apa tu? Alhamdulillah, we have arrived back home at Reykjavik.
Safely.
After what has been the most dangerous ride ever, bruh.
Actually, the most dangerous ride in my life.
I'm so tired, man. Need to shower. We cannot afford to use our bed because I will sleep. Then makan. Because I'm getting kind of hungry. Finally, after like that very heavy breakfast. Time to not sleep. Try to not sleep. You have served us well today. Thank you. First dine-in yang aku makan seorang, dia itu seorang. Leman dia. Ini kami akan cari entah, just absorb the Reykjavik night. Then after that we will try to see the northern lights again. I'm here again at Skirska. Just wanted to see what it looked like at night. We're here at again. There's no northern lights. Gila. We went all the way to Iceland. Yo. Nunggu aurora guys. Mana aurora nih? Sana nih guys, what's gonna happen if there's no aurora? Oh my god, it's gonna be so embarrassing. Ku bukan superstar, kaya dan terkenal. Ku bukan saudagar yang punya banyak kapal. Icelandic music kinda slaps, bro. I mean, this is American music, but Icelandic radio kinda slaps. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Hey, this is Icelandic music. Let's go. Let's go. Nah, that's kurang markah. Hey, not my type of music. Next. What song is this? What language is this? No, this is Icelandic ballad, bro. Oh, I like that. Fire from by
John Johnson.
Yon Jonsson. That's probably how you say it. Good. This is a hard 8 out of 10 for me. This is what we're gonna jam to the whole night, bro. Yon Jonsson.
Gila man, it's been an hour. We've waited an hour to see the northern lights, and we cannot see anything yet. Bro, these northern lights are not showing anything, man. Got scammed all the way here.
Okay, Northern Lights, you have 7 minutes to come out before we go back home and call it a day. It's currently 11:53. We're gonna go back at midnight. Yeah, I think I've given up. First time driving in snow, guys.